Hi all, today we are going to talk about total productive maintenance, that is TPM. What is TPM? TPM is a maintenance strategy focused on maximizing equipment efficiency through proactive and preventive maintenance. It is about the equipment efficiency, and the objectives is zero breakdowns, zero defects, zero accidents, and it is to improve productivity. What are the 8 pillars of TPM? The first one is autonomous maintenance, planned maintenance, quality maintenance, focused improvement, early equipment management, training and education, safety, health, environment, and TPM and administration. So, what is autonomous maintenance? Operators take responsibility for routine maintenance activities like cleaning, inspection, and lubrication. It is like a day-to-day maintenance of the equipment. And what is planned maintenance? It is about schedule and predicted format of maintenance of equipments, and maintenance based on predictive and scheduled intervals to reduce breakdowns. Quality maintenance is about the conditions of the equipment to be ensured, and that needs to be prevent defects, and the production quality uh, does not need to be affected. And the benefits is increased equipment efficiency, reduced downtime, improved product quality, and employee involvement. So the next concept is overall equipment effectiveness. What is OEE is the availability, performance, and quality is altogether defined as overall equipment effectiveness, which means what are the resources availability, the raw materials will be completely utilized, and the performance to be highly mentioned, and the quality is attained what we expected. There should be no compromise in the quality, and the performance should not reduce from the expected range, and all raw materials and all resources are to be used. If the raw materials is not completely used, or any defects in the raw materials, the availability resources is not completely utilized. And TPM implementation steps is initial cleaning, eliminate source of contamination, develop standards, train employees, and there should be a continuous improvement. So the next concept is business process reengineering, that is BPR. So one fundamental rethinking and radical redesigning of business process to achieve dramatic improvements in performance. So that is redesigning or rethinking. It is altogether known as upgradation or updation to the expectations level of the customers. So it's the objectives is improve efficiency and productivity to reduce costs and enhance customer satisfactions, improve quality and speed, and increase competitiveness. What is the need for BPR? So already we discussed that BPR is an updation or upgradation, or the redesigning to meet the customer level. So if the process is outdated, we need to focus on to redesign the process. So it needs to stand in the market, which may leads to increased competition, we may leads in technological advancements, and it meets customer expectations, and we have to take the survey of globalization and will stand by in performance. And what is the principles of BPR? Organize around outcomes, but not focus on tasks. Have those who use the output performance the process. Integrate information processing into real work. Treat geographically dispersed resources as centralized, link parallel activities. Re-engineering process steps. Re-engineering process steps is a cycle one. It starts from process redesigning, reconstructions. The reconstruction should be monitored, that is process monitoring, and envision new process, initiate change, and finally process diagnosis. So what is the benefits? Increased efficiency, cost reduction, improved quality, faster processes and better service, customer service. Challenges is about the resistance to change. While we practice through a regular task, it is difficult to change suddenly to new practices. So high cost of implementation, there may be risk of failure, and need for strong leadership, employee training requirements. That's it. Thank you.